Good morning, students. Today we discuss about of reactions. What is the meaning of reaction? In chemistry, reactions are very most important. What is the meaning of reaction? You see now, in reaction, reactant plus reagent both are combined to form products. What is the meaning of reaction, students? Reactant and reagent both are combined to form products. This is said to be reaction. In this, which is said to be reactant and which is said to be reagent. Major component in a chemical reaction is called reactant. Smaller molecule in a chemical reaction is called reagent. Or which is attacking on the reactant is called reagent. Which is being attacked by the reagent is called reactant. Smaller, this is major component. Okay. These reagents are two types of reagents. What are the reagents? Two types of reagents, that is electrophiles and nucleophiles. Electrophiles, nucleophiles. What are electrophiles? Electrophiles are the carbon deficient species. Means electron deficient species are the electrophiles. These are electron lovers is said to be electrophiles. Nucleophiles are the anions are the nucleophiles. Electron pair donors are the nucleophiles. Or electron rich compounds or rich species are the nucleophiles. So reagents are two types. One is electrophiles, other one is the nucleophiles. Okay, along with these, carbene, free radicals, like the reagents are also present. Now we discuss about the reactions. In this, we discuss about nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is the nucleophilic substitution reaction? First, what is the meaning of substitution reaction? What is the substitution? Substitution means one group is replaced by the another group is substitution. This thing is replaced by another thing is called substitution. In cricket game, one person gets injured, then that person is so replaced by the another person, then another person is said to be substituted. Like that, in a compound, one group is replaced by the another group, then it is said to be substitution. Now, if another group is said to be nucleophile, if another group is the nucleophile, then the reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is the nucleophilic substitution? One group is replaced by the another group is called substitution. If the another group is the nucleophile, then that reaction is said to be nucleophilic substitution reaction. You see, alkyl halide is reacting with the nucleophile like OH minus. Here halogen group is replaced by the OH group. What group is replaced by what group? Halogen group is replaced by nucleophile. That's why this reaction is said to be nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alcohol is formed and halogen is comes out as X minus. Here this X group is replaced by nucleophile. One group is replaced by another group. So substitution. Here the another group is the nucleophile. Then this reaction is called what? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this is the nucleophilic substitution. In these nucleophilic substitution reactions, two types of nucleophilic substitutions are there. Those are SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Now I discuss about SN1 reaction. What is SN1 reaction? Nucleophilic substitution 1 in unimolecular reaction. What is the SN1 reaction? Nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction. I written, you see, nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction is said to be SN1 reaction. Okay, I will take the example for this SN1 reaction. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, yeah, this is tertiary butyl bromide. This carbon is said to be tertiary carbon because this carbon is linked with 1, 2, 3 carbons. This is said to be tertiary carbon. This tertiary carbon linked with the halogen. That's why this compound is said to be tertiary butyl. This bromide is attached. That's why this is said to be tertiary butyl bromide. This tertiary butyl bromide is treated with nucleophile. Here nucleophile is attacking on this. Then this Br group is replaced by nucleophile. If Br is replaced by the nucleophile, then it is said to be nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, I written the reaction. Tell me students, what product may form here? CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH group is obtained in the place of Br. Now this Br is removed as a Br minus. What is the name of this reactant? Tertiary butyl bromide. In the place of Br, what group is obtained? OH group is obtained. Then it is forms tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the reaction SN1 reaction. I prove this reaction by mechanism, reaction mechanism. I written the reaction. If this reaction is SN1 or SN2, how do you know? How to determine, how to identify this reaction 100% is SN1 reaction? How do you know? Okay, now we are going to discuss about decide the SN1 reaction. Which reaction is said to be SN1 reaction and which reaction is said to be SN2 reaction? I explain the reaction. Along with the reaction, I explain some tricks. Okay. Stop.